In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Go High Level paid subscription. If you've decided that Go High Level is no longer the right fit for your business, or you just need to cut back on expenses, it's important to know how to properly cancel so you don't keep getting charged. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each click on the platform, and I'll also share a few tips along the way so you know exactly what to expect. First, log into your Go High Level account using your usual credentials. Once you're inside the main dashboard, look toward the lower left corner of the screen. You should see a menu with different icons and labels. Find the one labeled Settings and click on it. This is where Go High Level keeps all of your account level controls, including billing, users, and integrations. After you open the settings page, you'll see a list of options on the left side. Look for the option called Billing and click on it. The billing section is where you can see your current plan, invoices, payment method, and subscription details. Take a second to confirm you're looking at the right account and the right workspace, especially if you manage more than one. Within the billing page, scroll until you see a link or button that says Want to modify, cancel your subscription. This is the area dedicated to changing or ending your plan. Go ahead and click that link. Don't worry, clicking it won't instantly cancel anything, it just opens up more options. Once that section expands, look for a control labeled Show More. Click on Show More to reveal additional details and actions related to your subscription. This is where Go High Level sometimes hides advanced or less frequently used options, so the main page doesn't look cluttered. After clicking Show More, you should now see a button labeled Cancel Plan. This is the button that actually begins the cancellation process. Click on Cancel Plan. At this stage, no final changes take effect just yet. You'll still need to confirm a few things. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Go High Level may ask you to confirm your reason for cancelling. Give feedback or review any final details, like when your access will end. Read each message carefully so you know whether your plan ends immediately or at the end of your current billing cycle. Once you've confirmed all prompts, your cancellation will be processed and your paid subscription will be scheduled to end according to the terms shown on screen.